Hello, welcome to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today we'll be cooking lamb casserole. As normal, the full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, we start off by heating some oil in a pan and browning off the meat in batches. The tip of this is only put the meat in when the oil is smoking, otherwise it'll just stick to the bottom. We've all seen meat getting browned in a pan, so I'll speed this bit up. When all the meat's browned and removed from the pan, add the chopped vegetables, butter, salt and pepper, and stir around. Oh yes, you can put the garlic in now as well. After a minute or two, add in the mint sauce, sweet chili sauce, and then sprinkle over the flour. Thoroughly mix together so the flour soaks up all the oil and butter. Then add the meat back to the pan. Now we come to the tricky part, putting the wine in. As you know, the more wine you put in a dish, the less you got to drink after. So my advice is don't get the wife to do it. The woman has no sympathy. I'm sure she put that last bit in out of spite. You can add a splash of water if you need more liquid. I keep telling her, but will she listen? Stir in the fresh herbs, put a lid on the pan and place in a 150 degrees C oven for 3 hours until you get back from the pub. Feel free to share, like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye.